Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Our question today comes from Charlene Kennedy. She's in Zone 8A. Her question is, how do you overwinter strawberry plants? So we actually have two different methods for overwintering our strawberry plants. The first one is, if your plants are in the ground, you want to water them really well in the fall and then put a thin layer of mulch on the plants. And you can use straw, leaves, or big wood shavings. And you want to put the mulch on about a ½ inch thick. And then you want to check the plants once a month and water them if needed. I've killed more strawberry plants because they dried out then from the cold. So then in the spring you can rake off the mulch, give them a big drink, and they should be ready to go. Now if you live in a cold and snowy climate, I find that the snow does a great job of insulating the strawberry plants. Just be sure the plants stay moist in the fall before they get snow cover. Alright, so number 2 is strawberry plants in containers. So in the fall, I take the plants out of their containers, trim off the tops, and soak them in water for 10 minutes. And then I put them in a bag and store them around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, usually in my refrigerator. And then in the spring, I replant them again in their containers. This works best with the day-neutral strawberry plants that will make berries the first year. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, go ahead and send us an email. The address is in the description below. Also, if you'd like to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce in 128 square feet with only a 15-minute day commitment, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. It's free and it's online, and you can find it on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, or click on the link below.